Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Top Technical Guide. I hope you people are doing great. So today we will learn how can we identify or how can we know whether in our PC there is a SSD or HDD. So there are 6 methods. I have brought you 6 methods that will show you how many disk drives are there, whether it is SSD or it is HDD. So let's start. The first method is press Window key on a keyboard and type PowerShell. So on the top you will see Windows PowerShell. So here, open it. After this, you have to type POWER, power PowerShell space inverted comma, double inverted comma actually, and type get and hyphen physical disk with capital D space and this bar space and format with small f hyphen table with capital T space hyphen no space auto size and close the inverted comma. And before you press enter, make sure that your spellings are correct. If your spellings are mistake, you might find some error. Some error will display here. If the spellings are correct, press enter. And after a second or two, the details will be on your screen. So here you can see that I have a SSD of 256 GB. The brand is Toshiba. So it's SSD here, solid state drive. I don't have an HDD here. Okay, if you have HDD, it will show you. It will list everything, whether it is SSD or HDD. The both will be listed here. So this was the first method. So let's jump into next method. Just exit. And the next method is simple. Press Windows R, that's run, and type msinfo 32. And here you'll find the list is given here, system summary is given here, and click on components, go to storage, click on storage and click on disks. So here you can find all the details regarding your disk drive. Okay, so you can see that the size of my disk 238.47 GB and its model or the brand Toshiba and the serial number. And in the next part at the bottom you can see all the partitions and the size given already. So in this way you can know whether you have your SSD or HDD and the details of them. So the next method will be press Window and type optimize. When you type optimize, you'll see on the top the defragment and optimize drive. So go here and open it, and it will show you how many disks and SSD or HDD you have. So I only have SSD, that is solid state drive, so it will only show solid state drive here. You might have your HDD too and also SSD, so it will list here everything. Okay, so I have 2 partitions. So this was the third method. The fourth method will be, again, press Windows R and type task mgr, that's task manager, and press enter. Go to performance, and here there are a lot of components, a lot of things are listed like CPU, memory, disks, Wi-Fi, CPU, and you press on disk, you can also see it's written SSD here. If it will SSD, it would have mentioned SSD and the model and the serial number will be mentioned on the top right corner, right here. So this is also a simple step. Now let's go to step 5, and it will be press flag E and go to File Explorer. Or what you can do is double click on this PC and straight go to your partitions. This PC, there are 2 partitions as you can see that, and you can right click on it, go to properties and go to hardware. You can see it's mentioned only one Toshiba 256Z is SSD. Okay, so in this way you can also know whether it is SSD or SSD or the both. So the last method will be, again, go to File Explorer and press on this PC, click on this PC and right click on it and go to properties. Oh, sorry. Right click on it and go to manage. Here you can see device manager. So here go to device manager and go press on disk drive. So here you can see that it's only Toshiba 256 GB SSD, and there's one more method that will be an extra bonus for you, and that's press on disk management here, and here it only says disk O because I only have one disk drive in my PC. So if you have 2, it will list here disk 1 or disk 2 or disk 3 in that way. Go here, press right click on the mouse and go to properties, and you can see everything here, the disk drive, it's Toshiba. I think this video was helpful for you. If it's helpful, please subscribe to the channel and help me grow this channel, and like the video and share it to your friends. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.